In this short video, I'll walk you through the steps to sign up for Spotify Premium and unlock all its amazing features, whether on iPhone, Android, or PC. Those ads can really break your flow, and the best way to listen is with unlimited skips and offline playback. Today, we're tackling Spotify and how to upgrade your experience to Premium, completely legit. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started. There are two main ways to sign up for Spotify Premium. The first is through the Spotify website, and then through the mobile app for Android and iOS. We'll cover both methods. To sign up using the web browser, head over to the Spotify website at spotify.com/premium. You'll see a page with different subscription options. Choose your preferred plan. Click on the Get Started button next to your chosen plan. If you already have a Spotify account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to Spotify, you'll need to create a new account. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. To sign up on mobile, open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. Next, navigate to the Premium tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the Premium tab, you'll see options for different subscription plans, including individual, duo, and family. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your plan, tap on the Get Started button. You'll be redirected to a secure web page where you can enter your payment information. Spotify accepts credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Then, fill out your payment details and confirm your purchase. You've now officially unlocked ad-free music, unlimited skips, and offline listening. Welcome to Spotify Premium. Now that you've gotten a Spotify Premium account, one advantage you have is the ability to download songs for offline listening. To learn how to do that, click on this link right here. To explore more Spotify video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.